Welcome guys, today I am with REALME C35 and I want to show you how camera pro mode looks in this phone. So at first, to enter the pro mode, we have to select more. Next, we have to go for the pro, it's right here. As you can see, right now we got few parameters that we can adjust automatically and manually. So right now I'm going to show you how we can adjust them. At the first, we got exposure compensation. So you can move it like that with your slider, and that's the only thing that we cannot adjust automatically. That's the parameter that we can only change manually with this slider. Okay, let's go forward, and here we can find the shutter speed. And right now we can adjust manually just like that by picking each preset, but also automatically by tapping on the auto right here. Okay, so that's all from the camera pro mode in the REALME C35. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.